You see the Add to Cart notification ping on your Shopify dashboard. You wait for the payment confirmation, but instead, the customer vanishes. No order, no revenue, just another abandoned cart. If this has happened to your store, you are not alone. Millions of shoppers walk away from full online carts every single day, making abandonment the single largest challenge in e-commerce. It is important to realize these customers aren't rejecting your product. The act of adding it to the cart proves their initial desire was strong enough to consider buying. Every purchase is a balance between the emotional desire for the product and the logical fear of making a mistake. When a cart is left behind, it means the fear became stronger than the desire. We are going to address that balance with a 5-step cart optimization audit, a systematic way to strip away doubt and rescue your lost revenue. Scaling your sales isn't about paying for more traffic. It is about creating a psychological safe zone that converts the visitors you already have. Step 1 identifies the most common sales killer, unexpected costs at checkout. Look at this invoice. A customer is comfortable with a base price, but when shipping, taxes, and fees suddenly drop on top at the final step, that price becomes offensive. This sudden spike makes a customer feel tricked. It destroys the trust required to hand over credit card details. To fix this, state shipping costs early on the product page, or fold those costs into the base price to offer free shipping. Financial predictability builds trust. It ensures the customer never feels penalized for proceeding to checkout. We will optimize one best-selling product page to build a shield against buyer anxiety. Replace single, blurry images with a robust image gallery. Show multiple product angles, capture close-up details, and the product in actual use. Next, look at your copy. Copying supplier specs is an amateur mistake. As seen on the right here, professional copy focuses on the benefit, telling the buyer exactly how the product improves their life. Place explicit trust signals directly below your Add to Cart button. Include real customer photos, a clear return policy, and secure payment badges. A high-converting page doesn't just list features, it proactively disarms a customer's fears before they can ask them. Step 3 is the mechanical removal of friction within your Shopify dashboard. Every extra form field or required account creation directly reduces your conversion rate. Open checkout settings, set accounts to optional, and enable guest checkout, compressing the form into its simplest state. Remove fields that aren't vital, hide company name, and make address to optional. Finally, activate localized payment options so their preferred method is instantly available. Respecting the customer's time through convenience is as vital as the quality of the product itself. Step 4 requires you to audit your site on a smartphone. Mobile shopping is now the default environment where almost all purchases happen. Verify your buttons are large enough to tap, text is instantly readable, and navigation is effortless. Check for speed killers like oversized image files or unused applications running entirely in the background. A slow-loading mobile page signals that the business is amateurish and potentially unsafe. Digital speed translates to perceived security in the buyer's mind. A fast, mobile-first design is mandatory. Step 5 addresses the fact that many abandonments are simply the result of real-world distractions, a ringing phone or a knock at the door. You can deploy an automated abandoned cart sequence via email or SMS to act as a silent recovery net. A successful reminder message is friendly and includes a prominent Resume Order button to take the customer right back to their cart. You might include a small discount as a final push, but avoid using fake scarcity or false countdown timers. Customers eventually notice, and trust is difficult to rebuild. This recovery net captures revenue from customers who want your product but need help overcoming inertia. Satisfied? Your Shopify store is now a predictable, high-trust, and low-friction environment. Monitor your Shopify analytics for the next 7 days. You are looking for an upward trend in your checkout completion rates. Remember, traffic only brings visitors to a domain, but trust is the factor that turns them into paying customers. Mastering trust and eliminating friction is the most cost-effective way to scale your Shopify sales long-term.